Today I'm going to show you how to make an Instagram block full width in Squarespace. This is a great way to showcase your Instagram feed more prominently on your website and create a more visually impactful design. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, head over to squarespace.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all your websites. Simply click on the website where you want to make the Instagram block full width. This will take you into the editing interface for that specific site. On the left side menu, click on Website, and underneath that option, click on Pages. This section allows you to manage all the pages on your site and make structural changes to your content. Once you're in the Pages view, click the Edit button to enter the page editor. This is where you can add and modify blocks on your page. Now select a section where you want to add the Instagram block, then click Add Block from the menu that appears. Click Instagram. This will insert the Instagram block into your chosen section. Once it's added, drag the block to the left side of the section to position it properly. After you've positioned it, click Save, then click Exit to leave the page editor. Next, on the left side menu, click Custom Code, and under it, click Custom CSS. This is where we'll add the code that makes the Instagram block full width. Before we do that, I recommend using a browser extension called Squarespace ID Finder. This extension helps you identify specific block or section IDs, which is essential for targeting the right element with your custom CSS. So go ahead and download it if you haven't already. Once the extension is installed, activate it. Now click on the ID of the Instagram block you just added. The extension will display the unique ID for that block. Copy that ID and paste it into the custom CSS field, then add a pair of curly brackets like this. Open curly bracket, close curly bracket. Now I've already prepared the code for you, so feel free to pause the video to copy it. I'll just copy the code and paste it inside the curly brackets right after the ID you pasted earlier. Once the code is in place, click Save to apply the changes. This code will override the default width settings and make your Instagram block stretch to full width. Finally, on the upper right corner, click Preview to see the result. This will show you how the Instagram block looks with the full width applied. If everything looks good, you can publish the changes and your Instagram feed will now be displayed prominently across the full width of your page. And that's it. You've successfully made your Instagram block full width in Squarespace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.